Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the dual investment feature on Binance. And at some point in the video, we shall be comparing it against another Binance feature called the spot limit order. This will be interesting for some of you that plan to use your cryptocurrency to make some money on the Binance platform. But before we get into this, we would like to cater to some of you that are new to the crypto space or are interested in starting to explore this space. It can be quite confusing if you do not know who to trust or where to go to carry out your crypto activities. And this is where Binance comes in. Binance is the world's largest crypto trading platform, but it goes above and beyond in the way it serves its users. Aside from crypto trading, it has other financial features such as Binance Visa Card, Binance Pay, and crypto loans, which allow users to leverage their crypto assets when borrowing and also to easily move their crypto assets across the globe. Another great feature it has is Binance Earn, which gives users opportunities to make passive income using cryptocurrency. The last feature we would like to share with you is one that has been creating a lot of buzz in the crypto space, and this is the Binance NFT market. Binance has made it easy for anyone to get involved in the NFT space, regardless of the user's level of expertise. NFTs are changing the way digital assets are perceived in terms of value and accessibility, and it only made sense that the biggest crypto trading platform got involved and played a role in advancing this. If you would like to explore and take advantage of the above features, consider using our links in the description to create your Binance account and get your journey started. Now, we would like to kick this video off by introducing you to a few key terminologies that you'll come across in case you intend to use the dual investment feature on Binance. The first term is strike price. This is also known as the target price at which users will get the chance to either buy low or sell high. The second term is delivery date. It's when users will receive the amount they deposited or their initial investment plus the interest yields. The third term is the cutoff time, which is when Binance determines whether a user's assets were executed to either buy low or sell high. It happens at 1000 hours UTC on the delivery date. The fourth and final term we're going to look at is the subscription amount. This refers to the user's deposit amount, which he or she is hoping to use to buy another currency at a lower price or to sell for another currency on the settlement date. Now, let's talk about how dual investment works. It's made up of two investments: the up and exercised, which was recently changed to sell high, and the down and exercised, which was recently changed to buy low. Essentially, it allows you to buy low or sell high at a desired price on a desired date and then receive high interest yields. With the up and exercised investment, you get the chance to sell high at a target price by the settlement date. We deposit our crypto assets, which can be one of the available non-stable coins listed here. In our case, we shall use BNB and select a strike price, also known as a target price, at which we are hoping to sell our crypto by the settlement date. On the settlement date, if the market price is above the target price, the order will be filled. That means our subscription amount plus the interest income will be sold at that target price. We will then receive our rewards or our returns in BUSD. If on the settlement date the market price is below the target price, that order will not be filled. However, we will still receive interest income, we will still earn interest income. The only difference is that we shall receive the same amount that we deposited plus the interest income in that same currency that we deposited. You can also see your interest returns based on your subscription amount. When you input a figure, Binance computes and shows you how much you should expect to receive if the settlement price is above, equal to, or below the target price. We would like to explain the three possible scenarios with this investment using an example. Queen and Gems both hold 1 Bitcoin each. Queen subscribed to Bitcoin dual investment at a 40,000 USD target price. Gems didn't. Assume the interest income is 0.04 Bitcoin. In the first scenario, the order will be filled because the market price at 41,000 BUSD will have gone above the target price, meaning Queen will get her initial investment plus interest income in BUSD. This will amount to 42,600 BUSD. On the other hand, Gems, who didn't dual invest, will have the value of his 1 Bitcoin increase from 40,000 BUSD to 41,000 BUSD, but will miss out on the interest income. In the second scenario, the market price at 38,000 BUSD goes below the target price and the order is not filled. This means Queen will get her investment back in Bitcoin, but will still have some interest income as well, which will amount to 1.04 Bitcoin, an equivalent of 39,520 BUSD. Here we see James end up with 1 Bitcoin valued at 38,000 BUSD on the market. In the third scenario, we see the market price at 43,000 BUSD rise far above the target price, and this is the only scenario where James would end up with more value for his 1 Bitcoin than Queen. This is because Queen's earnings are tied to the target price she set when making her subscription, and she won't be able to cancel it to sell her Bitcoin at the high market value. Queen would get a total of 42,600 BUSD, while James's 1 Bitcoin would be worth the market value of 43,000 BUSD. With the down and exercised investment, we will get the chance to buy low at a target price on the settlement date. Here, we shall deposit one of two stablecoins, either USDT or BUSD. Once we've chosen the stablecoin we want to use, which in our case is BUSD, we select a target price at which we are hoping to buy another currency by the settlement date. On the delivery date, if the market price is below the target price, then the order is filled. This means that our subscription amount plus the interest income will be used to buy the other currency at the target price. This will mean that we shall receive or we shall earn our money, the subscription amount plus the interest income in the other currency in this particular investment. However, if the market price is above the target price, the order will not be filled. The advantage of using dual investment, just like in the up and exercised option, is that regardless of how the market moves, you are very likely to make an interest. And this shall be the case. The only difference is that we shall be paid back in the stablecoin that we use, which in our case would be BUSD. With this investment, you will also be able to find out how much you can expect to earn by taking a look at the investment returns feature on the page. To explain the 3 possible scenarios with this investment, we are going to continue to use our example of Queen and James. So Queen and James hold 30,000 BUSD each, and Queen decides to subscribe to a Bitcoin duo investment at a 30,000 target price. James once again doesn't. The interest income in this example is 1,500 BUSD. In scenario 1, the market price, which is 1 Bitcoin at 33,000 BUSD, is above the target price, which means the order does not execute. Queen will get her subscription amount plus interest income totaling up to 31,500 BUSD. James, who chose not to make a duo investment, will maintain his 31,000 BUSD. In scenario 2, the market price, which is 1 Bitcoin at 29,000 BUSD, is below the target price, which leads the order to execute and buy Bitcoin at the low price of 29,000 BUSD. Queen will then be paid a total of 1.05 Bitcoin, an equivalent of 30,450 BUSD. As you can see, Queen manages to retain her initial investment plus some interest while getting Bitcoin, which she can sell later when the price goes up again. James retains his initial 30,000 BUSD. In the third scenario, the market price, which is 1 Bitcoin at 27,000 BUSD, is far below the target price, and just like in the sell high investment, is the only place where James ends up essentially having more BUSD than Queen. Queen will receive 1.05 Bitcoin, an equivalent of 28,350 BUSD. Regardless of whether the sell high or buy low order is filled, we shall still receive some sort of interest income. The difference is, if it's not filled, then you receive your earnings in the same currency that you deposited, while if it is filled, then you receive your earnings in the other currency. At the beginning of this video, we mentioned that we shall get to a point in the video where we shall compare the dual investment feature against another Binance feature called the spot limit order. One thing that we would like to point out is the dual investment feature is actually similar to the spot limit order. We are going to be using 6 traits to compare them. These are set order, condition, execution, fee, yields, and flexibility. Under set order, both set limit orders to buy or sell. Under condition, the spot limit order executes when the market price reaches limit price. On the other hand, for dual investment, under the up and exercised investment, You sell high when the market price is greater than or equal to the target or limit price, and under the down and exercised investment, you buy low when the market price is less than the target or limit price. Under execution, the spot limit order executes immediately, while duo investment only executes at the delivery date. Under fee, the spot limit order has a small trading fee, while duo investment has no fee. Under yields, spot limit order does not have additional yields, whereas duo investment accumulates high interest on top of the user's investment. And lastly, under flexibility, spot limit order is very flexible, meaning you can cancel at any time, while a duo investment cannot be cancelled until the subscription ends. What are the key benefits of using duo investment? The first is that there is potential to earn high interest rates on your investment. The second benefit is that duo investment has a wide selection. There is a variety of price levels, annual percentage yields, and delivery dates to choose from. The third benefit is that you are able to buy or sell crypto at your desired price without any fee. Now, let's take a look at how you can make a duo investment on your Binance mobile app. To access the feature, you can use two methods. You can log in, go to Earn, select High Yield, then select Duo Investment. The second method is click More on the icon section, select Earn, then select Duo Investment. After you've selected Duo Investment, select a crypto you want to sell high or buy low. Then identify your desired price and date, enter subscription amount, and then you can check your investment return. Once you've done that, complete the subscription, then sit back and enjoy your high interest yields. At this point, we've talked about all the great things to do with duo investment. But as you might know, there is no great reward without great risk. And that's what we want to talk about in this section of the video. The first risk associated with duo investment is the huge market volatility. With the buy low or down and exercised investment, if the market price goes way lower than the target price, then you'll find that you are essentially buying at a relatively lower price than the current market price. With the sell high or up and exercised investment, if the market price goes way above the target price, then you'll basically be selling your crypto at a relatively lower price than the market price. The second risk is less flexibility. Once you've subscribed to the duo investment feature, your funds are locked up and there is no way of you accessing them earlier than the delivery date. There is also no way of terminating it early. The third risk that you'll be facing by using duo investment is the fact that it is a no principal guaranteed product. This can be seen in the examples given earlier with Queen and Gems. In the third scenario for both examples, you saw that Queen was making a little less than the amount of money she put in or the principal. But that is a risk that comes with the territory. Binance is gearing to make some improvements to the platform by adding a beginner mode to the duo investment in order to make it easier for new users to explore this feature. That brings us to the end of this video. If you're interested in exploring the crypto space much further, consider using our referral links in the description to open your Binance account and support the channel. Until next time.